Hi there, I'm Val, and this is the last week of solo jazz improvisation. So what we did today, we worked a little bit more with like music structure and specifically breaks. The breaks I gave you to use was this one, 8-1. Then we did 8-1-2-3, 5, 6, 7. Then we did lock turn, 8-1-2-3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we did this Thompson Wilma one that starts on 1, not on 8 like the rest of them. And it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So then I had you all walk around for 3/8, just kind of like vibing. You could do slows, you could do quicks, you could do actual moves. But on the 4th 8, we would all do some sort of break. First, we did it just on our own, in our own brains. And then we made a little jam out of it, where the jam supported you, and we all did breaks at the same time, but each individual person did whatever. So it was a little bit more of kind of free, use what we learned the entire month to dance there. And that's what we did. Bye.